As a girl growing up in the 1980s, electronics and computers were fascinating, and I knew they weren't magic, but I didn't even know how I would learn about them. So I went ahead and took electrical engineering, computer systems architecture as my major in my undergrad, and I didn't get to use it as an Army officer in air defense artillery and military intelligence. And I got an opportunity to go back and learn computer engineering, which is what I kind of wanted to do all along. When I had an opportunity to transfer into the new cyber branch for the Army, I considered it, I weighed it, and I'm like, yeah, we need this, and I'm ready to step up. It's tough to be one of the few people of whatever identity, but if we can find ways that we can help others learn, help others get into the field, maybe make it not so much of a high mountain to climb to get there, and also then support each other when we're there, both women supporting other women as well as men as allies supporting women, and not failing to listen to them, right? And not failing to give them an opportunity to participate. I think we need to both work on teaching at a young age if we can, all the way through to college and beyond, and we also need to work on support. Because I started from a place of wanting to understand the specifics of how a computer worked, I got pretty deep into architecture, learning instruction set architectures, processors, registers, how memory works. That's just one lens, and there's a lot of other great lenses also. But with my lens, I'm able to then look at how code works and think about how it's actually running across the processor. And that's an interesting perspective, a different perspective than maybe other folks bring to the field of security. Programs that do coding, so Python, programs that you can write or study how cryptography works, how do bits flow across the network. Any of those are really fantastic things that if you know more about it, it's really going to help both you and whatever organization you're working for. Olympian Simone Biles said, if you never leave the ground, you can't stick the landing. So if you know a girl who might be interested in this field, but she's not really sure about it, then please encourage her, or if that's you, if you're that girl, try it out. And if you do try it and you do start to see, hey, this is something that I find fun and I want to stick with, then I applaud you and I encourage you.